In travel news for April 19th, 2023, we talk about an upcoming change to the iconic Mirage Hotel and Casino on the Las Vegas Strip. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, and this is Today in Travel. A new chapter is about to unfold in the vibrant history of Las Vegas as the renowned Mirage Hotel and Casino prepares for a grand transformation. Over the next few months, the famous property will undergo a significant renovation, making way for a new Hard Rock Hotel and Casino that will feature the brand's iconic neon guitar-shaped structure. The Mirage has been a staple on the Las Vegas Strip since its inception, boasting a massive size with over 3,000 rooms and a reputation for hosting memorable heavyweight fights. Its striking volcanic feature has been a key attraction for visitors from all around the world. Having acquired the property for over $1 billion, the Hard Rock Group is set to introduce several changes to the landscape. Among them, the iconic volcano and the Siegfried and Roy Secret Garden will be removed to make way for the fresh new look of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. Travelers eager to witness the transformation should expect a gradual process, with significant progress anticipated later in 2023 or even into 2024. In the meantime, the Mirage Hotel and Casino will continue to welcome guests, ensuring a seamless transition during the renovation and rebranding phase. Once complete, the new Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Las Vegas promises to offer a reimagined experience to all its visitors. During the renovation, the hotel aims to stay open and seek support from the local community. As a gesture of goodwill, the new owner will offer fully paid parking for local residents, a benefit that has become increasingly scarce in recent years. While many of the hotels in the area provide free parking for limited periods, the Hard Rock Group intends to further cater to the local crowd, acknowledging that travelers from afar may be hesitant to book a stay at a property under construction. With this exciting transformation on the horizon, Las Vegas is set to welcome a new era of travel experiences for both tourists and locals alike, further solidifying its position as a world-class destination. Today in Travel is brought to you by the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in accessible travel. Our goal is to help all travelers, from the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled, to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.